I started on another project, and maybe you can see where I'm going with this. I have an old wood frame that I've had here in the craft room, and I have some chicken wire. Don't look at my rest of the craft room. I think I say that every time because it's always a mess. Anyways, and then I have a wreath down here, and I don't like that wreath. I have some other wreaths up here, but they're just not the size that I'm wanting. And this wreath is pretty much close to size, but I don't want that stuff on it. And then I see where I can it's just attached with wires. So I'm going to take all that off and see what I can come up with. I'll let you follow me in the process, so hang on. Well, I was going to come in here to the table. I have to have my table to be able to lay that out and do what I want to because my table's high. And my craft room table's full. And I have something started in here. But I can't finish it till I cut the boards down. So I'm going to lay it down, put it up, and start another project. This is a project to come. Okay, I cut me off a piece of chicken wire. And I can tell you one thing, chicken wire is not easy to work with. I've already stabbed myself. And I don't want to sit here and staple this on and not have enough on one side or the other. Okay, that's plenty going there, plenty going there. And I am going to use, well, get it over here, my electric stapler. Okay. Well, I'm not going to bore you with all of me going around and around, and I don't even know if I'm in frame, so I'm going to finish stapling this on, cut off the extra, and I'll be back. To show you that I got it all on, and it looks pretty good, but I didn't get it on without poking myself several times and having to get a Band-Aid. But it's better than, let's see, where's that? See that? That's from using a nail gun. Went up my fingernail. So I'll take getting poked by barbed wire. All right, I just wanted to show you that I have it finished, or not finished, but the barbed wire on. And it's easy. If you have an old frame, I'm gonna leave my frame the bare wood because it's what I like. But if you had an old frame and some chicken wire, it's relatively easy to do. You just gotta be careful with the chicken wire. All right, I'll be back. Well, I have my stuff here that I think I'm gonna use to make a bow. And I don't know which ones I'm gonna use. This is a burlap with polka dot. And I got that at a thrift store for $2. It's full. That wasn't bad. And then these I got off of Amazon. There's this one. And then this is chicken wire. And of course the buffalo check. These are all off Amazon. And the bow dabber, or the, no, not bow dabber, but the easy bow maker. I also got it at the thrift store, and orange was half price that day, so I did get it for $1. I don't make a lot of bows, but it sure comes in handy. And $1, that's a good price. I think they're only $20, but $1's better than 20. And then I also have some a box of greenery here. So I'm going to start making my bow, figure out what ribbons I want to use and how I want it to look. I just brought them out so I won't have to keep walking back and forth. But I think I'm leaning towards the chicken wire and this one, the mixture of these two. So I'm going to make my bow and figure out which way I'm going to turn, long ways, or, you know, if it's longer one way, or I'll have to show you later. I can't figure out which way I'm going to turn my frame, is what I'm trying to say, and how the bow's going to look on it and things. But I will be back, but I did want to show you what ribbons I will possibly be working with. All right, it's finished, and I put it here because I did have a window frame, you know, the old window with a wreath on it, but I've had that forever, and I just wanted to make something a little different. So this is where I'm putting it to kind of give that mantle a little change. And there's the candlesticks or candle holders I made in the last video, and I've already made some others that are more of a modern farm, not the rustic look. But anyways, I was ready for a change, something else to go up there. And it is finished, and I've got it up. So until the next one.